and a very warm welcome to Daily Dispatch, a show that gives you all the latest news and updates from the digital ecosystem. I'm Priya Sheth. Thank you very much for logging in. Time now to get you all the top news stories that we've been tracking for you this evening. Well, first up, ID Fresh Foods has clocked a revenue of 294 crore rupees in FY21 and registered a growth of 24% in the year. The Fresh Foods company clocked a 40% growth of B2C business, which doubled from the previous year. Now, for FY22, the company aims to achieve revenues of 500 crore rupees. Well, moving on to the second headline of the day, angel investor Utsav Somani, who is responsible for bringing AngelList to India, is launching iSeed2. This is a new $15 million micro fund to support early-stage Indian tech startup founders with knowledge capital and access to Silicon Valley. The launch of iSeed2, which comes less than a year after the launch of iSeed1 in May. Well, fintech startup Credflow has raised $2.1 million in its seed round led by Stellaris Venture Partners, Omidyar Network India and Flourish Ventures. Now, Credflow will be utilizing these funds to develop its platform, strengthen its tech capabilities and build new products. Well, moving on to the final headline of the day, food tech major Swiggy has raised close to $343 million as part of its Series J funding round via investors. Now, this fundraising is part of the $800 million funding round that is expected to value Swiggy at close to $5 billion. This round included Goldman Sachs Asia Strategic as a new investor. A very warm welcome to Your Story Unboxed, where I give you a list and gist of all that's new and happening in the market. Today we're going to be talking about the Indian spreads market, which is expected to hit 300 crore rupees in terms of value by 2022-2023. Now, when you talk about the Indian spreads market, this also includes jams, honey, butter, marmalade, etc. But here we're talking about chocolate spreads market, which is a market that has been growing exponentially. It's expected to be growing about 15% going forward, considering that Indians love snackification and chocolate spreads fall essentially in this snackification category. Now, one company that has made a giant leap or a big foray in this chocolate spread space is Epigamia. Do remember that Epigamia has been the maker of Greek yogurt. It's popularly known for several of its Greek yogurts that are available in the market. But today we're talking about Epigamia's latest product launch, which is Epigamia Spread. When you talk about the chocolate spreads market in India, there have been companies that have been present in the space for many years. Brands like Nutella, Fun Foods, even companies like Nestle have spreads available in the market. Hershey's has a couple of spreads available in the market. These have been in existence for a long period of time, but there are a lot of new companies entering this space, which means that this space is buzzing clearly. Now, the spread that you can see in my hand is the Epigamia spread. It's the dark chocolate and orange spread. Now, do remember that there are two variants in Epigamia's spreads. This is of course the dark chocolate and orange, and the other spread that you can see right next to me is the chocolate caramel spread that you can see right here. Now, what is the USP of these products is that they are made of ghee. And that is what Epigamia is trying to drive in terms of the messaging, that these spreads have been made with chocolate as well as ghee. Now, if you look at the pricing of these products, about 250 gram packs are available for 350 rupees. That is the kind of price differentiation that is there between the two packs. But if you look at other companies like Nutella, Fun Foods, etc., spreads are in the range of about 200 to 300 rupees per box. This is for the 250 gram packets that we're talking about. So typically it is in line with what other companies are offering. Of course, this is more on the mass premium kind of positioning that Epigamia has got with regards to this spread. So now, time now for us to open this product and see what it really looks like. Smells really good. It's got an orange flavoring, and as you can see, this is a little stiff because it is made of ghee, and you can actually see some residues of ghee on the sides of this box. It is to be consumed within 90 days of opening this product. Well, if you look at the ingredients on this box, it says that ghee is 26%, dates, processed orange pulp, cocoa solid sugar as well as other preservatives in this pack of Epigamia spreads. I'm excited to try this out because I've never tried something which is made of chocolate and ghee. It sounds like a healthy version of a chocolate spread available in the market. So I'm going to try it with some crackers, tea, and of course the recommended bread which is mentioned here on this pack. So all of you, goodbye for today. Stay safe and thank you so much for watching.